If you're looking to make real money as a voiceover artist, you'll need to have some experience and knowledge in the industry. If you're looking for a guide those who are just starting out, then you will definitely want to watch this video. It will show you how to turn your skills into money while still providing your clients with a great experience. Start by doing your research. Once you have a general understanding of the voiceover industry, it's important to do your research before starting any projects. After all, without some basic knowledge, you'll be looking at a path to easy money that may be difficult to turn around. The best way to start your research is by reading articles, researching the industry, and then turning these insights into something actionable. Once you have a better understanding of the market you're trying to enter, start building your team, and sure enough, as you go along, the work goes faster and faster. The best way to start your research is by reading articles, researching the industry, and then turning these insights into something actionable. As you go along, the work goes faster and faster. Make sure your skills are up to par. If you're looking to do voiceovers, it's important to have the best skills you can get. You don't want to be poor with your skills or have them fall into someone's hands because they may not be able to teach you the right way. The best way to learn how to do voiceovers is to watch some videos on the internet about it. Once you have the basics down, you can start working with clients and see how much money you can make. It's also important to be right in your attitude and have a positive attitude when working with clients. You don't need any personal relationships with them to get good results. Work with a reputable voiceover. Before you start anything, make sure it is something you are comfortable with. Voiceover work can be a difficult and dangerous job, but it's also one of the most monetarily successful industries. You need to have the skill sets and knowledge in order to do the work. After you've got your list of clients, start thinking about how you want to sell yourself. You'll want to create a website or blog where you will provide information on voiceover work, how to best way to get hired, and ways to avoid getting scammed. After that, start looking online for reviews of other voiceover before starting any work. Get a great experience. The first step in any career is getting a great experience. And that's where learn about voiceover work. There are many different companies and industries that will offer great experience. You might start out doing voiceovers for just a few months, but over time you can start to develop your skills and become successful. It's important to find a company that has the knowledge and experience to help you meet your goals. The best way to find this information is to ask around. Look for online reviews or visits to businesses of similar stature. This will give you a good starting point in finding someone who has experience with your type of work. Make money while you learn. This is a common sense rule when learning how to do voiceover work. You don't want to learn something and not be able to teach it to your clients. There are a lot of resources out there for those who want to learn how to do voiceover work. The most important resource for this is time. Time is one of the most important factors in turning your skills into money. You need to be available as soon as possible when clients ask for your services. You also need to be aware of the business neck and neck with competition. You don't want to give up the opportunity to make money while also trying to maintain a good customer base. So friends, how did you like today's video? Do tell us by commenting. And if you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.